Imagine unlocking doors to exciting career opportunities in the tech industry with just one certification. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how the Avaya 70190T exam can be your game changer. Avaya, a leader in communication technology, offers solutions that power businesses worldwide. Their advanced call management systems and unified communications solutions are essential for optimizing business operations. For professionals aiming to excel, earning the Avaya 70190T certification by passing the Avaya 70190T exam is a significant milestone. This certification validates your expertise in Avaya's call management systems. Understanding the specifics of the Avaya 70190T exam is crucial. It consists of 40 questions, requires a passing score of 70%, and has a duration of 60 minutes. Knowing these details helps tailor your study approach. One of the first steps to effective exam preparation is to thoroughly review the exam blueprint provided by Avaya. This document outlines the topics covered and the weight of each section. Leverage official study materials provided by Avaya, including study guides, training courses, and practice exams. These resources are crafted by the creators of the exam and offer invaluable insights. Practice tests are an essential part of exam preparation. They help you familiarize yourself with the exam format, question types, and timing, building your confidence and improving your speed. Engage with study groups and online forums to gain additional perspectives and support. Discussing topics with peers and solving practice questions together can enhance your understanding and retention. Hands-on practice is crucial for mastering Avaya systems. Set up a lab environment where you can practice configuring and troubleshooting Avaya call management systems to solidify your understanding. Stay updated with the latest advancements in Avaya products and solutions. Follow Avaya's official blog, newsletters, and social media channels to ensure your knowledge is current and relevant. Ready to dominate the Avaya 70190T exam and advance your career? Follow these tips, stay dedicated, and unlock your potential. Remember, consistent effort is key. Best of luck.